Where does the name for Gwesbyr come from? Today I'm in Gwesbyr. It's a small village in Flintshire, just south of Tlacre, which is famous for its stone quarries. Now, in order to understand the name of the town Gwesbyr, we have to go into the history of the area a little bit. So, following the Roman collapse, Britain broke up into multiple smaller Brythonic-speaking kingdoms, and the kingdom here was called Tegengel, or Dece Angli. The name comes from the Roman-era tribe, the Dece Angli, who lived in this area. But eventually that was absorbed into the kingdom of Gwynedd, and Tegengel became a region within that kingdom. In the year 800, however, roughly, this area of land was lost to the neighbouring kingdom of Mercia, who were Old English speakers, Anglo-Saxons. During that time they settled the area with multiple settlements, including Mostyn and Prestatyn, and also Gwesbyr. So Gwesbyr comes from Old English, west, meaning west, and byrch, which means a town or a village, and it's related to the modern English borough or bury if it's shortened in an English place name. So literally the town name's Westbury, but because the Kingdom of Gwynedd retook this area around the year 1000, they retained the original pronunciation of the town name, and that's because Welsh has a slightly more phonetic writing system, so they wrote it exactly as they heard it, and they heard it as Gwesbyr, and that's why the town name is Gwesbyr. However, if this area had remained in England, the town would have been called Westbury. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Subscribe for more, give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explore and explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.